Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome.
Welcome to the dinosaur park.
Ta-da! This is your host. He goes. Look at me, JJ. Go. JJ, this is your host.
This is your host, Zahir Bikua.
Okay. Good evening, Sir Zahir. Please tell us about your dinosaur park.
And here's your Brachiosaurus, and your Stegosaurus, and your mammoth, and your fishes, and your duck, and this is the waterfalls.
Hold on.
Picture lang mo.
These are your ducks. And these clips are your fishes.
Yep.
And these sharpeners are
The dam.
the jam. And these erasers are the
Dam too.
jam too. Okay.
And the flower is a dam.
The flower is a jam. How about that crumpled blankie over there?
It's the raging water.
It's the raging waters. Okay. We're ready when you are. What's gonna happen?
And the dam exploded.
Oh no, the dam exploded.
And here you are. This is Spinosaurus. And this guy is Tyrannosaurus Rex.
And what are they gonna do?
When they're ready, they will ambush
They will ambush who?
the older guy.
The older guys. Okay. That's the raging waters.
That's the raging waterfall. When they're ready to ambush, they better hide there, and they're running for their lives so they can be alive for life. And they're running and running. The fishes can't go up, even the duck. The Brachiosaurus can because the neck is tall, right? And when Stegosaurus, it bangs it, and boom, they will carry the fishes. When they ambush the elephant, he's dead. See?
Louder your voice.
Ambushed. And the little fish. And the elephant stubbed the toe in the raging water. Began to burst. When you see them running, that means they're gonna ambush now. And one scratch on the brain. And they got it. And they finished it when they tried to ambush the bigger guys. but they can. The waterfalls are, the raging water is bursting. But they can. There's one more at the other side. It's blocking the way. But there's one more wave. That means it's flowing. And there, the waterfalls began to jump. And there, and the raging water here started to flow on Spinosaurus and T-Rex and Tyrannosaurus Rex, and they started to run and jump. They're stuck inside. When that, they drowned.
They drowned.
The end.
This has been your host. Say it.
This has been your host, Zahir Bikua,
Saying
saying
good night and
Good
see you
night.
again.
and see you again. Bye.